Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to check out my channel. I really respect and appreciate that. Alright, today got a Ford Taurus. The guy complains that the car is shifting lanes by itself. We took a test drive and what do you know? It is shifting lanes. Kind of scary, especially up next to a semi. So we jacked it up and we're going to shake the front wheel by hand just to see what kind of play we got. Bam! That is too much play, folks. We're not supposed to have that much play out the front end. Something is severely wrong under there. So I shimmied under there to take a closer look, and what do you know? We have problems. That's the control arm bolt, folks. Halfway backed out, almost ready to fall out. That is not a good thing. The control arm keeps the wheel straight and connected to the vehicle. You don't want to lose that. So before we can check this front end anymore, checking for tie rods or ball joints or any kind of bushings or anything, we cannot have that severe amount of play in the system. So what we have to do now is try to tighten up that bolt just to make sure it's not stripped out or rounded out or broken off, whatever the case may be. So we got our Ingersoll Rand, got our extension and our swivel socket, and proceeded to tighten it up. Giving it the specified amount of dakas to get it really tight, and what do you know, it tightened up. We then started to shake it again, and the control arm stayed firm this time, but the ball joint had play in it. So we're going to need a lower ball joint for this car. We jacked it down, we lowered it down, then moved around to the other side, the passenger side, just to check what's going on with the passenger side. Not the same story on the passenger side, thank God. The passenger side is good, nice and tight, no issues there, really tight. I still wanted us to make a double check under there, make sure that there's nothing halfway loose or bolt falling out based on what happened on the driver's side. You never know. This is kind of strange. Haven't seen this before. But everything was good and everything was awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great one.